There are a few important things you'll need to prepare before your smart meter installation. Firstly, make sure you know where your current gas and electricity meters are located and check that they're easy to get to. If you think this might be an issue, or you believe your current gas and electricity meters are difficult to access or locate, please let your energy supplier know well in advance. Your supplier will have been in touch to arrange this installation. They will never turn up on your doorstep unexpectedly. When the installer arrives, they'll take all reasonable steps to keep you safe. They should present you with a valid identity card, including the company name and phone number, as well as their name and photograph. You can ask to see this if the installer does not present it up front. You'll need to be present during the installation, which will take around an hour for your gas meter and an hour for your electricity meter, during which time your energy supply will be cut off for a short period. Once your smart meter has been installed, the installer will talk you through how to use your new in-home display. If a gas meter is being installed, the installer will also perform a visual safety check on your gas appliances as part of the installation. It's worth remembering that smart meters are provided at no extra cost, so you will not have to pay your smart meter installer.